all projects and routine work we do, we can find ways to share knowledge through personal, direct contact. We can simply let people connect. Let's go back now to Anglian Water.
The solutions that we put in place were around increasing the notice period. So we incentivized people to give 6 months notice rather than the contracted 1 or 3 months. And there was an additional payment that they received from doing that. There's been really good uptake on that so far, and 90% of our retirees are picking that option. And we've been able to use that extra time to be able to hand over to their replacements, to be able to write down processes and procedures. There's a bit more work to do in the operational space because we understand when it comes to operational issues, they do tend to take a priority. So not everybody's had the luxury of being able to use that time for handing over. That's something we're looking at. But we've also looked at things like line manager guidance, where people who are retiring might not necessarily have the same goals. So how can we change those goals around so it is specifically around capturing knowledge and improving things before they go? That extra time that they've got has also been able to get them to understand, get them to grips that they are going to be leaving the organisation. It's quite difficult change to make. So that's allowed people the space and the time to think. And the final thing we did was introduce some flexible working and glide paths. So people didn't want to go from 5 days working into all of a sudden, I'm retiring. So now there's a framework they can follow where they can work 5 days, then 4 days, then 3 days a week. And slowly, gradually go into retirement without having the pressure of immediately stopping work, which has been really good for us.
It is that simple. We are a social species. We like to talk. We like to share. Let people connect.